Good morning, and this is Mrs. Perry with NTI day number 9 with the writing. Okay, I want us to look at this writing topic that we had. If you could go anywhere for 2 weeks over holiday break, where would you go? Now, it's all about just kind of explaining. You can also kind of think about it as an opinion because someone might want to go somewhere else. So I'm going to actually, rather than us write on this part, I'm just going to talk to you about my ideas about like making my own Foursquare. Okay, so if I'm going to make my own Foursquare, it's going to probably look like this. And you can do this on any extra piece of paper or on the back of this paper if it helps you. So I'm going to draw a square in the middle, a line in the middle, line on the side, line on the side, line going down the middle. So this is where we talk about our topic sentence, okay? Now, if I go back and I look and I say to myself, okay, it was asking if I could go anywhere over a holiday break, where would I go? So I kind of want to let the reader know what I'm talking about. So I might start with, if I could go anywhere over break, it would be Germany. And that's a country in Europe. Now, so that is my topic sentence. Of course, your topic sentence is going to probably be different because not everyone wants to go to Germany. Now, I have to talk about my reasons. So this is your first block. This is our second block, third, fourth, fifth, okay? So these right here are where you tell me the why. This is where you slow down and you think about your wrap-up sentence, okay? So now if you go back and we look, now I could say my first reason is I enjoy riding planes. So I used a transition word. Did you notice that? My first reason, okay? Now, I told you my first reason is I enjoy riding planes. Like I said before, coming up with your reasons in each block is a lot easier than going back and dazzling up with maybe a little bit more detail right here. So I'm going to make sure I go back and I add some detail on those black lines. So my first reason is I enjoy riding planes. I also enjoy, I can't write today. Sorry, guys. I also enjoy eating all of the yummy food. I could eat it all up right now. Now, again, I might tell you why it's so yummy. Now, the fourth reason, I might say my last reason, or I could just say finally, my last reason is I get to see my family. Okay. So what we need to do now is we probably need to go back and add detail right here. Now, my first reason is I enjoy riding planes. I might explain why here. Okay. Then I also enjoy eating all of the yummy food. I might explain to you what is yummy. Okay. Then my last reason is I get to see my family. Okay, why is it so nice to see my family? Why do I want to? So again, I might use a why here. Now let's look at that fifth box. This is the wrap-up sentence. You could say these are the reasons why I would like to go to Germany. Where would you go? Okay, so notice how what I did right there. I wrapped it up. I didn't give you any more new reasons. I also asked a question to kind of get the reader to think about what we were writing about, and to get them thinking about, ooh, maybe where would I like to go? So once you kind of come up with a plan, that's when you're going to go back to your publishing page, which looks like this, and you are going to write your final piece. You're going to write your final piece on this paper right here. So I challenge you to do a Foursquare first, wherever you can. Draft your ideas and then write it on this page right here, okay? So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know, but I can't wait to